Assalamualaikum viewers. Today's reading is this rest of the month of May 2020. What is God for you? And it's a Taurus reading, zodiac Taurus. It's a reading about zodiac Taurus, May 2020. Okay, how it's been going. Okay, and what is left for you. Now I'm going to start my reading. This reading is for Taurus zodiac, who are the Taurus Taurus in their chart, or they are born in a Taurus season. This reading is for them, and for you guys. The rest of this month, it got for you more of love, more love, plenty of love. Yes, someone love you with hurt by hurt, and plenty of love is for you. The other thing, you're defending something, you are defending yourself. What is it is about? uh, Someone from your past, you are defending them, or something happened in the past. Oh, maybe it's about that something happened to you in past, and you are now defending yourself because of that. What else? King of Wands. Yes, you want to be powerful and relaxed person, and authority one. You something happened to you in past, and now you are defending yourself. Want to be a king of wands, or like a king, or like an emperor. Yes, there is a heartache for you. Yes, there is someone broke their house with you. Okay, break up with you. You have this swords in your heart. You are burning. You have a burning heart. There's that's not good energy. Yes, why about this? Yes, that's why you have very tension. You have a burden upon you. Yes, you are stressful because of this situation. You are very stressful. You want to overcome that situation. You are doing hard work to overcome it, to forget what happened to you. Yes, you once again defending yourself. Yes, they have done very bad to you. Maybe it's your love life. Two of Pentacles. Now you are juggling between two things, two situations, or two persons. Uh, but why are this Ace of Cups here? Nine of Wands. Nine of Wands. Protecting your love. Okay, you protecting your love. Yeah, of course. And your happy time. Yes, your happy time. You are defending it. You're protecting it. Yes, and it's going to be crash or destroy. It happened. Maybe it's. I think that it's happened, and that's why you are so stressful now, and is not going to make any decision. They tell you that they are going to leave you there. This is a king of sword, and this king never think about anyone's hurt, anyone's feeling. They have no feelings for others. They are like wolf person, or they are a cruel person. They are very clever, very cunning, very keen, wicked person. They know what they have to do. If they want you, they will do anything to have you, and if you don't want you, they will do anything to lose you, to throw you out. Yes. Maybe it is safe for you to love. This card is for you, for that you have to go towards someone else. Maybe you are thinking, yes, there is an you are thinking about two men and you are not deciding about, you are not becoming decidable for about this these situation. You are still thinking about that person that is not good for you. Now it's the other person, and definitely there is another person for you. Maybe they are the king of wands, or who else, somebody else. And they are good for you. Open your heart to give and receive the highest energy of all. Yes, you can talk with them, go and talk to them. uh, Maybe you are thinking that you are divorced, and somebody left you, and the other one say that you are already with somebody, and I am not going to love you or to marry you. But that's not the situation. They are going to be with you. They like you, they love you, and you love them. Okay. And requited love, the first person, the king of swords, that is not the person for you. It is unrequited love. There is not enough attraction or chemistry to keep this relationship going. You can see that there is not enough attraction or chemistry between you both. Okay. The person that had left you, they are cheetah, they have a cheetah energy. They are a hunter, they are cruel, they don't think about you. Fish, hatchet fish, they are not good for you. Crocodile, they are hunter, they are going to eat you, they are going to tore you off. You tore your whole body, tore your heart, and they have no feelings for you. Yes, you are seven mermaid. Your sensuality is beautiful. You are beautiful. Your thinking is beautiful. You are beautiful in from outside and inside, and you deserve the love. You deserve the better thing. These are not the good things. Scarab beetle. Scarab beetle, scary, black, stingy, superstitions, tasks you have not finished yet, life goals, purpose, dreams that you have not fulfilled now. Focus on your actual goals, fulfillment, and satisfaction. Go towards, make changes. Maybe you have some bad habits that now should be leave. Tough shells, humility. If they are capable of great things, they do not show off. Practical, better understanding. Practical, better understanding. Cautious, mindful, strength your mind. Oversee, overcome any obstacles. You are guided by angels. Inner wisdom, positive traits. Yes, your angels are guided you. They are guiding you to leave that person and to go towards the other person that is good for you, for your happiness, um, for your own good. This person is not good for you. Sure, leave them. Okay, leave them. They are not good for you. That's the reading for you for today. For the Taurus, um, which reading is this? Yes, this is about Taurus May 2020's reading. Yes, and this is your reading. Now you have to leave that one, that person that is not good for you. They are toxic, they are dangerous, they are going to harm you. Okay, they are not good for you. They have cheetah energy, they have scarab beetle, they have fish, hatchet fish, they have crocodile. They are not good for you. They harm you. Leave them and go towards the other person. He is coming towards you. Okay, that's the reading for you. Please share, subscribe, and like, and with lots of wishes. Bye.